Now he's checking. He's checking if it's boiling. Now I believe it's ready to put the... Oh, ang bilis maluto ng shrimp. Okay, then yung, lastly pala ay yung dahon. The leaves. The young leaves of the upo and the kalabasa. And I believe there's some sayote too.
Sayote?
Oh, I thought you got some vegetable from sayote. Okay, when it's boiling like that, then he's going to add on the upo. Upo. Oh my gosh. That's it. It's gonna cover it. It boiled. Then later on, it's ready to cook and ready to serve. Mga kakaka. Oh, wow. And then, lastly will be the leaves. Madali lang po yung maluto. Kaya, later on, he's just gonna add the leaves right there with the bulaklak of upo. Kasama palang bulaklak. So you guys, don't waste the bulaklak. You can add it to your recipe. Okay, especially for the soup or dinengdeng. That's Ilocano way of cooking dinengdeng. Dinengdeng nilakay from Patokanay, Tayom Abra. Thanks for watching. Alright, shout out sa Portland, Oregon at sa aking mga barkada sa Paete, Laguna. See you guys. But I want to see the final. You have to wait again. Okay, we'll wait for a little while. And the leaves will be... Oh, it's boiling. Okay, that will be the last one. So whoever doesn't know that bulaklak can be eaten, it's edible. Now I found out. Sometimes they make as salad. And there's so many ways, so many things that we waste because we don't know that can be eaten. Okay, now it's boiling. All we need to wait is to put the vegetable. That's the final one. I believe I can't wait no more, but just all you need to do is just wait until you put the vegetable on, and then that's it. Okay, goodbye again.